Hello, friends. Legal Breeze welcomes you for the 26th edition of its program. In this program, we are not going to discuss any GK or legal stories. This is primarily a Thanksgiving program, in fact. We would like to thank each and every one of you, particularly you, the listeners or viewers, for your enormous support you have shown upon to the continuation of our program is concerned. We started with maybe around 5 plus subscribers. Now today it has grown up about 200 plus subscribers, maybe 200 plus views. Some of the videos would have um, attracted. Certainly, we need to go a long way, miles to go before I sleep. This is the uh, exact lines everyone should keep remember in our life to achieve the task of success or victory, whatever you call it. Of course, there is nothing called success or victory. Whatever gives you happiness, please keep doing it unless it harms others and it keep doing good things for others. Certainly, no good things comes without abstraction, as it has been stated by Swami Vivekananda. In this journey, just we would like to share how we have began and how what we do now and where are we heading towards now. This idea of doing this educational channel is a result of pandemic COVID-19. In that way, we are thankful to this uh, triggering effect given by COVID-19. I had a few students who are pursuing their civil service examination, particularly they are preparing Group 1 TNPSC. I used to teach them polity and current affairs pre-pandemic days. After the pandemic, we couldn't meet one another, so I used to teach them by phone. But one of a guy told me, sir, instead of teaching us through by phone, put the same on the YouTube channel so that it reaches everyone, including us. That is how this idea has come out. I have done a Corona song, namely Anne Anne Corona Anne. This song has been videographed by two of my kids, who are one of whom happens to be a primary schooling kid, another happened to be a middle schooling kid, known as Jayasree Venkatesh and Yogeshwaran Venkatesh. These two young kids have assisted me in the initial days, and this has been hosted by one of us civil service aspirant, namely Gokul Raja and Sel Raja Balaselvam. These two kids have assisted. These two students, civil service aspirants, have triggered this thought. It was quite successful. And once we commenced our online courses for our law school, we need to do this on a very regular basis because we need to give courses online as well as offline courses. So in order to provide courses offline, we started posting videos on the YouTube channel. Now I have to introduce a few people who are working tirelessly round the clock for the success of this program. If you believe it is a success. First and foremost, I have to express my sincere gratitude. Miss Aishwarya K. She is popularly known as Salem Aishwarya. In fact, she is the founder of this particular channel, the channel which you are watching now, currently known as Legal Breeze. She herself coined the name and she asked me to be the anchorer of this program. That's it. She is the host. She used to upload everything. Another person called Divya Darshini, she is also our law school student. She assisted us in the initial days, and she is very vital support in the initial days, providing vital support in the initial days. Now currently the mantle is carried on by a girl called Shushmita Sri. Again, she is also pursuing her undergraduate program in our law school. In fact, her affection, continuous dedication and compassion and inspiration make this program reaches you continuously. At least we are able to provide you one video per week. Our aim is to provide at least 3 per week, if possible daily 1. But to achieve that target, I think we need to go a long way. I am very thankful to the aforestated persons, namely Selam Aishwarya, Divyadarshini, Sushmita Sri, and I have to introduce one more person called Nisha Sri. She is a civil service aspirant. She is pursuing her civil service career as well as preparation, as well as her UG law course in our law school. Uh, she provides lot of constructive comments to us. And she is also one of our researcher, helps finding in lot of data to support this program apart from the technical support. So Nisha Sri and her friends Varshini, Shishmita Sri, they are all doing one single course, happens to be classmates of one another. I'm very, very thankful to all those persons. Then I have to introduce one more person called Nandini. She is a student of our post graduation, pursuing her LLM environmental law. She used to help us in assisting environmental law programs. Many of the videos pertaining to environmental law programs have been videographed by her. So I'm very thankful to Nandini on this right occasion. And I need to say a few things about my colleagues who are very much instrumental and supporting in this program. One of whom happens to be Professor Shaktivel, who is having a journey with me almost 15 to 20 years, right from our PG days. Of course, many a time he used to give me very harsh criticism about this program. He used to find out good defects rather than plus, but only pointing out the defects alone helps us in improving our program qualitatively as well as quantitatively. Professor Shaktiji, we are very thankful to you. And through him, there is another professor called Professor Rajashekar, who is working in Madras University's Legal Studies Department. He has provided good comments, particularly on the reservation issues, and a video which we have posted a month ago. So we are very thankful to Professor Rajashekar and Shaktivel. And before I part, I think I have to say one more person, who is Mr. Suresh. He is currently pursuing his doctoral program under my guidance in our law school. He is also having an academy, coaching academy, teaching catering the needs of judicial service and other legal services in Tamil Nadu is concerned, like APP, judicial services such as civil judge and district judge, so on and so forth. He also provides valuable inputs so that the content is more suitable to the persons who are preparing for various positions in law as their career. Our aim is to provide the best quality legal material for those who are preparing for the UPSC, because we believe there is hardly any channel which gives you good quality work or good quality material, providing good qualitative assistance in supporting the civil service aspirants, particularly those who are taking law as their optionals. So we are trying to do our best. We would like to request you to take the mantle further, disseminate this channel to others. Please give us your valuable inputs in the form of comments. That will be very, very helpful to us. So once again, I would like to thank everyone, starting from Selam Aishwarya, Divyadarshini, Sushmita Sri, Varshini, and then Nandini, then Professor Shaktivel, Professor Rajashekar, and Professor Suresh. If I left anyone, please apologize. It is not intentional. And above all, I would like to thank every one of our listeners, come viewers. Without you, it is meaningless. I am very thankful to all my family members, parents, above all, Almighty Lord Arunachaleshwarar. God bless you all. Jai Hind. Take care.